Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation and properties of potassium dichromate. The formula for potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7. Okay, let us see the preparation of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is prepared from chromate ore. So here the ore is concentrated by gravity separation. It is then mixed with excess sodium carbonate and lime and roasted in a re-evaporatory furnace. Okay, so first we take FeCr2O4, so that is the chromate ore, is reacted with sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, in the presence of oxygen. So it is heated at 900 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. It gives sodium chromate, that is Na2CrO4, and Fe2O3 and 8 times of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. The roasted mass is treated with water to separate soluble sodium chromate from insoluble iron oxide. So here sodium chromate is Na2CrO4, that is soluble. Which one is insoluble mean? Iron oxide, that is Fe2O3 is insoluble. Okay. The yellow solution of sodium chromate is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium chromate color is yellow color. So that is Na2CrO4 is sodium chromate. The color is yellow color. That is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So concentrated sulfuric acid means H2SO4. So it converts sodium chromate into sodium dichromate. So here Na2CrO4, that is chromate, is converted into sodium dichromate, that is Na2Cr2O7. So here the sodium dichromate color is orange red. Okay, let us see the equation. Here sodium chromate, the formula for sodium chromate is Na2CrO4. So here the color of sodium chromate is yellow color. Okay. It is reacted with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4, so that is sulfuric acid. It converts, so treated with sulfuric acid, so it converts what are the compound, that is sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate formula is Na2Cr2O7, so that is sodium dichromate. Here sodium dichromate color is orange red, plus sodium sulfate is formed. Sodium sulfate formula is Na2SO4. Okay, so here Na2 2 times, so here also Na2 2 times, so totally 4 times of sodium is present. So here only 2 times, I write like this, 4 times of Na is present here. And chromium here 2 times, so here also 2 times. And next one, oxygen here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 4 12, but here 7 plus 4 only 11 times is present here. And sodium sulfur here 1 time, so here also sulfur is 1 time. So what is remaining? Water molecule is present. So water molecule means that is H2O. So here sulfate SO4, so here 4 2s are 8, so here 7 only we use. So remaining 1 oxygen, and hydrogen is excess here. So water molecule is formed here. And next one is the above solution is concentrated to remove less soluble sodium sulfate. So here Na2SO4 is less soluble substance. The resulting solution is filtered and further concentrated. It is cooled to get the crystals of Na2SO4 dot 2 times of H2O. The saturated solution of sodium dichromate in water is mixed with potassium chloride and then concentrated to get crystals of sodium chloride. It is filtered while hot and the filtrate is cooled to obtain K2Cr2O7 crystals. So K2Cr2O7 means that is potassium dichromate. Okay, so here sodium dichromate is taken. Sodium dichromate formula is Na2Cr2O7. So that is sodium dichromate. The color of sodium dichromate is that is orange red. It is reacted with potassium chloride. Potassium chloride is KCl. After that it converts potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. So here also that is orange red color. plus NaCl is formed. So here sodium 2 times, so 2 times of NaCl is formed here. Okay, let us see the equation. Here sodium dichromate formula is Na2Cr2O7. So this is sodium dichromate. So the color of sodium dichromate is orange red. So here sodium dichromate is treated with potassium chloride. So potassium chloride formula is KCl. So that is the formula for potassium chloride. So here after that it converts potassium dichromate. The formula for potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7. Sodium dichromate means Na2. Potassium dichromate means potassium symbol is K. So K2Cr2O7. Plus what is remaining? So here K 2 times. So here 2 times of K. So K 2 times. Cr also 2 times and O7 also 2 times. So what is remaining? Here Na 2 times is present and here chlorine 2 times is present. So both are 2 times. So 2 times of NaCl is present here. And next one is physical properties of potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is an orange-red crystalline solid which melts at 671 Kelvin and it is moderately soluble in cold water but very much soluble in hot water. On heating, it decomposes and forms Cr2O3 and molecular oxygen. Here Cr2O3 means that is chromium 3 oxide. As it emits toxic chromium fumes, upon heating, it is mainly replaced by sodium dichromate. Okay, let us see the equation. Okay, so here I take potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. When it is heated, it is converted into potassium chromate, that is K2Cr4, potassium chromate, plus chromium 3 oxide, that is Cr2O3, plus oxygen gas is liberated. So here I take 4 times of potassium dichromate. So 4 times of potassium chromate and chromium here 4 2s are 8. So here chromium only 4 times. So I take plus 2 times. Okay. So now potassium 4 2s are 8. Here also 4 2s are 8. Chromium 4 2s are 8. Here also 4 plus 4 8. And remaining oxygen is 7 4s are 28. So here oxygen 4 4s are 16 plus 3 2s are 6. So 16 plus 6 only 22. So remaining we need 6 times of oxygen. So here only 2 times. So 3 means 3 2s are 6. So oxygen is balanced. So that's all for physical properties of potassium dichromate. And next one is chemical properties of potassium dichromate. The first chemical property is oxidation and second one is chromate chloride test. So here let us see the oxidation properties. Potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent in acidic medium. So acid means we take H plus. In oxidizing action, in the presence of H plus ions is shown here. You can note that the change in the oxidation state of chromium from Cr6 plus to Cr3 plus, its oxidizing action is shown here. So first one potassium dichromate is taken, that is Cr2O7 2 minus potassium dichromate. In the presence of acid, so 14H plus, so this is oxidation process. So 6 times of electron it gives. Here 6 plus is converted into chromium 3 plus 7 times of water molecules. And next one is the oxidizing nature of potassium dichromate, that is dichromate ion, is illustrated in the following example. The first example is it oxidizes ferrous salts to ferric salts. So ferrous salts mean that is Fe2 plus, ferric salt means that is Fe3 plus. So potassium dichromate is reacted with ferrous salt in the presence of acidic medium. It is converted into Cr3 plus and ferrous is converted into ferric, that is Fe3 plus H2O. And next one is it oxidizes iodide ions to iodine. So iodide mean I minus, iodine mean I2. So potassium dichromate is reacted with iodide in the presence of acidic medium. It gives Cr3 plus iodine plus 7 times of water molecules. And next one is it oxidizes sulfide ion to sulfur. So sulfide mean S2 minus and sulfur mean S. So potassium dichromate is reacted with sulfide ion in the presence of acidic medium. It is converted into Cr3 plus sulfur plus 7 times of water molecules. It oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfate ion. So sulfur dioxide mean SO2, sulfate mean SO4 2 minus. So potassium dichromate is reacted with sulfur dioxide. In the presence of acidic medium, it is converted into chromium plus SO4 2 minus mean that is sulfate ion plus water molecules. And next equation is it oxidizes stannous salt to stannic salt. So stannous mean SN2 plus, stannic mean SN4 plus. So stannous, this is stannic. Okay, so potassium dichromate is reacted with stannous in the presence of acidic medium. It is converted into stannic salt. And next one is it oxidizes alcohols to acids. So here alcohol is ethyl alcohol. OH represent alcohol group. It is converted into acid. So here acidic acid is formed, that is CH3. COOH is acidic acid. So potassium dichromate in the presence of sulfuric acid plus alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, it is converted into potassium sulfate plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus acidic acid plus 11 times of water molecules. So that's all for oxidation in the chemical property. So that's all for preparation and properties of potassium dichromate. Thank you, students.